My name is PJ Radhakan. Today, the match between Mumbai versus Bengaluru. Who is the best captain in this game? Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli? Who is the best economy in this game? A. Dale Steyn. B. Jasmine Bumrah. C. Bolt. D. Washington Sundar. Who is the best all-rounder in RCB? Louis Pilpi. B. Virat Kohli. C. Washington Sundar. D. Simon Dubin. Who is the accuracy in face in RCB? That is Umesh Yadav. B. Dale Steyn. C. Simon Dubin. D. None of the above. Who is the best captain after Virat Kohli? A. R. Finch. B. Abby de Villiers. C. Simon Dubin. D. Chawla. So, who is the best fielder in RCB? A. Virat Kohli. B. Dale Steyn. C. Louis Pilpi. D. Washington Sundar. So, I'm asking question to Virat Kohli. You have been failed for 2 times, but what is the reason I'm not getting and I'm not also getting in my mind? Because you are a great batsman, but why are you failing? Once see the match between Rajasthan versus Punjab, how playing Steven Smith under pressure, he done 50, but you are not doing like this. See how Rahul Tiwari have done glorious, hitting 5 sixes. It's come under captaincy. What is doing Steven Smith? Right now, Virat Kohli, you are not at all doing anything for your teammates, and also you are not taking any responsibility. Please, Rohit, please, Virat Kohli, you have to do any magical, otherwise you definitely will be gone out in IPL. I once again thinking you, what's wrong with you? You are such a great man, but you simply out for one by dropping 2 catches. If you are correct in position, your teammates also will be in very correct position. Are thinking your batting is low and bowling was very weak compared to Mumbai. Mumbai is a strong. How you could deal with Mumbai? I don't know. I'm not getting any understand. How you can reply with your bat? Now tell me. You only depend on Chawla. Chawla is only economy is best in RCB. And then Denshel also giving more runs. And what is the top order? They are not giving any partnership. Louis Pilpi. And once again, you have a positive thing is Divat Pakal. He done a great job and also a tremendous job in against Hyderabad by scoring half century. He is a young, energetic and also emerging player of RCB. What's up plans having you of Virat Kohli? You are not even showing any spirit because you have to learn 2 defeats right now you're facing. But what's wrong with you, Virat Kohli? You are a great person, not only great batsman. But once you saw the match of Steven Smith, how he played a rock innings, solid innings, we are expecting. I am also a fan of you, a big fan of you. Once again, I want to give a tribute to you. I want cheering you to hit a century against Bombay. So, will you give up? This is tough match for you. So, if you won the toss, what is the highest score will be given to Mumbai? 180, 190, 200, 210. So, Andrew Finch is having a great touch with the bat because he is also a captain in Australia leading to semi-finals 2019. So, you are having a complete multiplex stars, but you are not using right now. Denshel, once again, you have been fired up because we want with you. We are with you. Something we have to do margin. Otherwise, it is a huge loss for RCB. The main point is the RCB second highest ever defeat by Punjab by 97 runs. My concern main is Virat Kohli is bowling and batting. Only one positive thing, Divik Paikal and also Washington Sundar, you can also promote him because he done a phenomenal job and also splendid innings against Punjab 31. Other than no one else not scoring any boundaries and also not scoring any sixes. Only Washington Sundar is doing. In that was any ball is not stick to opposition. RCB, they are giving simply runs like that 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now tell me, I am coming from Mumbai. Mumbai, it is a huge plus point because Rohit Sharma came back in form. I think Hardik Pandya, he is not touched with the bat. Konal Pandya is not having any great season. Not only Kevin Pollard, he was the first major title winning Caribbean League. And also I once again congrats you 150 matches for him. And Jason Bumrah is not up to the mark. He is not any magical to Rohit Sharma. Not only James Spencer came, he was very quickest and also accuracy in Australia. And bold, I saw them at India vs New Zealand. How terrific, how dangerous bowler. I don't know. This bowling lineup, how can beat up with RCB batting lineup? I don't know. So, what is the partnership between Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock? In 5 overs, 40, 50, 60. He is there in hat-trick or any controversies or any drama. And not only how many catches will be dropped by RCB fielders? 2, 3, 4. How many great catches will be taken by RCB? How many overs will be bowled by Densdale? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it is necessary Umesh Yadav will be there in RCB. I don't know. He was not unfit for 20 because in first 2 overs he will maintain the rhythm. Third and fourth he will not maintain anything. Coming to my point, who is the best wicket keeper in this game? Quinton de Kock or Lewis Phillippe? How much runs will be banked by Ken Pollard? Today sixes. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total tournament sixes will be banked by Mumbai Indians. 18, 16, 30 and 20. What is the slowest run rate in this game by Mumbai? If Mumbai won the toss, how much will be given to target? 230, 240, 250, 260. Will Rohit Sharma will done any new records against Bengaluru? So, I think KL Rahul done the game against Bengaluru is highest target, individual highest score 132. I think Rohit Sharma will be 150, 160, 170, 180. Not only the new wicketkeeper from Mumbai is Aditya Chhara. Once again, appreciating you boy, you came to Mumbai. Not only Tiwari had done a great match against Chennai by beating 48. So, now tell me, the main concern about Virat Kohli, you have to come with a form. Not only Aaron Finch, last match 21. Abdius is not up to the mark. He is not showing any magical show. 28. Not only one person he is doing, that is Washington Sundar, and taken Piyush Chawla maintaining his rhythm by taking 2 wickets. His economic is very good. So, if RCB won the toss, how much runs will be given in 10 overs by batting? 80, 70, 60, 50. Who is the youngest player in this game? Divik Paikal, Chawla, Jason Bumrah. Who is the best captain in IPL? Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli. And once again, a milestone will be set by Virat Kohli by 80 runs. If you done 80 runs, you will become 9,000 to 2000 runs by Virat Kohli. I once again wishing you a nice world. So support my channel.